Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I am again to do the daily chart analysis of Euro USD. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because it could be a high spread and high volatile timing, which is not ideal for the smaller time frame or lower time frame trades. So let's move to the charts now. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price is uh, into the FVG of monthly, and we still have 21 days left. So I'm anticipating that the price can possibly move into the further upside direction. So let's move to the smaller time frames to see what do we have to what do we have in here to support this current perspective or the anticipation of ours. So let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, we can see that we were having this FVG and it is disrespected by the market. But currently, we are having this candle which is within this monthly range, and I'm anticipating that we are going to respect something within this candle and then move into the further upside direction. So still, I'm anticipating that we are going to have a weekly close tomorrow. So the price can possibly close above this previous week's low. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in here. Till now, I'll be just stretching this low to keep it as a target. Okay, I just pressed the wrong key. Here we are. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, we can see that this was our last unmitigated order block from where the price can possibly react, and uh, we can possibly react till here. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in here. As we move into the 4 hours, we can see that we were having a candle which had taken some kind of a liquidity and then moved into the further upside direction. So I am anticipating that we can possibly come down, take this low, because we are not having any momentum slowdown till now into the market. So I'm anticipating that we are going to respect this FVG. We are going to take this low and then we can possibly go into the further upside direction. So let's move to the 1 hours to see if we are having such scenario which is supporting our narrative or not. Till now, we are not making any FVGs into the either side. So the bias is still not clear for me since the price is majorly bearish. So I'm anticipating that the price can possibly come down to take this low and then we can possibly see motion into the upside direction. So let's move to the 30 minutes. As we move into the 30 minutes, we can see that the price had taken some kind of liquidity and moved into the further upside direction. But no clear bias is still there. So if we are going to go into the upside direction, most likely we are going to come down and take the Asia low, and then we can possibly go into the further upside direction. That could be the scenario. That is, I'll be marking the scenarios. That is, we can possibly come down to take the Asia low, and then we can possibly go up to mitigate this level. Otherwise, the other scenario what we have is that we can come down all the way down to take this low, and then we can possibly go up to mitigate this area. So this is pretty much it, and thank you for watching.